Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you this experiment that is called Ocean in a Bottle. So first, we are gonna color our water with some blue food coloring. So I'm gonna take a little bit and stir it so it becomes blue. And for our experiment, we're gonna need water, oil, and a bottle. It can be a plastic bottle or a glass bottle. This one is a glass bottle and a funnel. Using the funnel, we're gonna pour the water into the bottle until it's half full. So until here it's enough. And now we're gonna put the oil in the water like this. As you can see, the oil has not mixed with the water. But if we cover the bottle and we mix it, it becomes like an ocean. So this way we have an ocean in a bottle. Do you like it? Also, in case you want to, in here I have some sand that you might find at the sea, some rocks that you can put on your bottle as well, and then you can shake it and have your ocean in a bottle. I hope you like it. Bye bye!